Hello and welcome to Gathering Folds. We're going to make a open compound square twist, and really with this technique you can compound any open twist or closed twist for that matter. So to start, I'm going to make a 16-fold square grid. And in order to do that, I'm going to divide the paper in half, in quarters, and half again to eighths, and half again to sixteenths on both sides, or rather both directions. And I am going to reverse my creases for all of these, and when I've done the creases in one direction, I go and do them in the other direction. So now that we've got our 16-fold grid, we are going to start folding our open compound square twist. So first we're going to, on the back side, so I like to call this side with the ridges, where I ran the bone folder, the front side, and then the back side, we're going to do a open square twist near the center. It won't be exactly centered because there's no grid lines that run exactly through it, but close to center. And spread to squash. And then we take the bone folder and crease it nice and flat. Next up, I'm going to flip the paper over and see this edge here. I'm going to go 2 grid spacings over, away from the center square, and mirror the crease. I'm going to do that for all 4 of them, like so. And this is the part that compounds the inner twist. So going 2 grid spacings away and doing the next crease. I do 2 because it makes these ends really symmetrical, so you can do whatever kind of connection you want. You can make the next twist like literally like shift it over, or you can mirror it. You can do it any way you like. And so then I go around and squash, making sure that everything stays in place, and flatten with the bone folder. And for this step, you want to be sure to go from a corner with the bars coming out over to the other side, because you don't want to catch on this flap. And there you have it, a compound square twist.